Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 2 of the NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinals, May 6, 2026. Cade Cunningham scores 23. Tobias Harris has 20 to help the Pistons beat the Cavs 111-101 in Game 1. Cade Cunningham scored 23 points and Tobias Harris had 20 in the Detroit Pistons beat the Cleveland Cavaliers in Game 1 of their second round series. Duncan Robinson added 19 points for the top-seeded Pistons, who ended an NBA record-tying 12-game postseason losing streak against a single opponent, a drought that dated to the 2007 Eastern Conference Finals. Cleveland's Donovan Mitchell scored 23 points, ending his NBA record streak of scoring 30-plus points in 9 straight series openers. James Harden had 22 points and Max Strus scored 19 for the number 4 seeded Cavs, who pulled into a tie midway through the fourth quarter after trailing for most of the night and by as much as 18 points. Holmgren has 24 points to help the Thunder top Lakers 108-90 in Game 1 of Western Conference Semifinals. Chet Holmgren had 24 points and 12 rebounds, and the Oklahoma City Thunder routed the Los Angeles Lakers 108-90 in Game 1 of their Western Conference Semifinals series. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and AJ Mitchell each added 18 points for the Thunder. The defending champions improved to 5-0 in the playoffs despite missing 2025 All-Star Jalen Williams with an injured left hamstring for the third straight game. The Thunder shot 49.4% from the field and made 13 of 30 three-pointers. Los Angeles struggled to find opens without scoring champion Luka Doncic, who has missed the past month with an injured left hamstring. LeBron James scored 27 points, and Rui Hachimura added 18 for the Lakers. Austin Reeves, who averaged 23.3 points in the regular season, was held to 8 points on 3 for 16 shooting. Oklahoma City won all 4 regular season matchups by an average of 29.3 points, and this one was only slightly closer. The Thunder held the Lakers to 41.7% shooting and forced 17 turnovers. Let's proceed to the NBA Playoffs Conference Semifinals games scheduled on May 7, 2026. Tyrese Maxey and the Philadelphia 76ers will figure out how to slow down Jalen Brunson and the New York Knicks in Game 2 of their series as they meet in Madison Square Garden at 7 a.m. Philippine Time or 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs will try to even their series against Anthony Edwards and the Minnesota Timberwolves before the series shifts to Minneapolis as they face each other in Prospect Center at 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Let us have the NBA series standings as of May 6, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference. The New York Knicks leads their series against Philadelphia 76ers 1-0. Detroit Pistons leads Cleveland Cavaliers series 1-0. Minnesota Timberwolves leads their series against San Antonio Spurs 1-0. And Oklahoma City Thunder lead their series against Los Angeles Lakers 1-0.